Okay, let's have a look at the sample level 4 recording. In this video, you will listen a sample recording for a level 4 candidate. Please concentrate on the skills the candidate has or has not and try to understand, okay? This pilot is a Russian, actually, pilot, and this test description is face-to-face discussion task. And the ratings for pronunciation, structure, vocabulary, fluency, comprehension, and interaction is shown here, and all scores are 4. Let's listen sample recording for level 4.
Do you pass a medical check before the flight?
Sure, before each flight we have a medical check.
Okay, in what cases can the doctor suspend you from the flight?
I think it's a matter of him, but I think if he suspects something wrong with my health, maybe my sick, if I would feel sick, if I am drunk, if I have blood pressure problems, heart problems, and so on.
Okay, what kind of medical problems are most common among the passengers during the flight?
I'm afraid I think it's fear. The generally passengers scared of flight, and all their problems based on this base.
Okay, what happens in cases of extreme turbulence, for example?
Sorry, repeat your question.
What happens to passengers with their health, I mean? If your aircraft encounters chop or
they
turbulence.
are suffering accelerations. It's obvious.
But what about their health?
Well, they feel air sickness.
Air sickness.
Not each of them, because as for me, I can't feel air sickness. I want to eat when I feel accelerations, vertical accelerations. Mm-hmm. I know it from my maritime experience.
Okay. Are there any personnel on board the plane that can give first aid to the passengers requiring assistance?
Of course, primarily it's flight attendants, and if possible, if there is a doctor on board, he can help a sick passenger.
Okay. What is the crew to do in case of a medical emergency?
Well, if it's a serious case, crew should make a decision to divert airplane to the aerodrome for departure, or change route so that medical help can be provided in time.
Okay. What contagious diseases have affected Southeast Asia countries some years ago?
What kind of diseases?
Contagious.
Contagious. Well, malaria. I don't know how to say it exactly. The lung infection, atypical lung infection.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Why is quarantine imposed sometimes?
So that prevent the spreading of infection.
Mm-hmm.